My name is Amber Hug. I am a National Education Manager for Schwarzkopf Professional, and in this segment, we're going to be talking about the number system and how to use it. This works for all of our brands, so I'm going to walk you through the specifics and try to make this easier for you. When you grab a box of Igora Royale color, Vibrance, Igora Zero, all of them will have usually 3 numbers. 1 number is before the dash, and typically 2 numbers after the dash. The number before the dash is always your depth or your level. The first number after the dash is going to be your primary color direction. That is the color you're going to see the most. Your second number after the dash is your secondary color direction. So just to give you a visual, in the example that I have here, 5-68 is a level 5 and is a chocolate red. You'll see mainly chocolate with a red reflection. So think about that one like if I got a cherry cola, I see mainly that chocolate color, but when the sun hits it, it reflects red. So that secondary number is your reflect number. Now, every once in a while, you'll have 3 numbers after the dash. The only time you'll see 3 numbers after the dash is in our absolutes range within the Igora Royale range. The absolutes are those pre-blended fashion colors and your chocolates, your golds, your coppers, your reds, all pre-blended for 100% gray coverage for you. So that last number is always 0, which is natural or neutral. So while it's your reflect color, it means it's also got your gray coverage built in. So in this example, 7-460 is a level 7, and it is a beige chocolate, and it's formulated for gray coverage. Your Igora Royale book and also your Vibrance book have a color circle. You'll find this color circle even on our e-Academy because it has a lot of information for you. All of the numbers after the dash that we have sit right on the outside of this color circle, making it easy for you as a colorist to help formulate. If I'm seeing a lot of orange in my color, I know that I have to come across the color circle to counteract that orange and neutralize it. Or I can work side to side to enhance it. So this will be your number 1 tool, and it's in both your Igora Royale and Igora Vibrance book as a tool for you. Now let's get into the heart of it. The numbers after the dash. What do they mean? I'm going to simplify this for you. -0 is easy. That is natural or neutral. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. Our natural sits in a very neutral zone. Your low numbers, -1 through -3, are your cool shades. So if it's low number, it's a cool shade. -1 is Cendré. Cendré has a blue-violet color direction. You'll see that in a lot of level 8 and above because you're seeing a lot of yellow-orange, and your blue-violet will cancel out yellow-orange. -2 is ash, which is a blue color direction. You'll see that in a lot of levels 5 to 7 because we have a lot of orange underlying pigment at those levels, so that blue will cancel out the orange that you're seeing. -3 is our matte. That is a green color direction. Levels 4 and below, your underlying color or warmth is red. So green is going to cancel out red. So if it's a low number, that is a cool shade. -4 through -6 are warm shades. -4 is beige. Beige in our range is a muted gold. So think of a gold that has been softened. And what softens gold? Violet. So it's a gold with a hint of violet to soften it. -5 is gold, which is a yellow color direction. -6 is called chocolate, and it is a warm brown color direction. I think of chocolate like cinnamon. When I see cinnamon, it's a really beautiful brown shade, but almost has a coppery reflection. So it's a warm brown. So again, 1 through 3, cool shades. 4 through 6 are my warm shades. -7 and above are my reds. -7 being copper, which is an orange color direction. -8 being red, which is a red color direction. And -9 being violet, which is that violet color direction. So if you just remember, a low number is cool, middle number is warm, high numbers are my reds. That's going to help you out if you can even remember those segments. So this is the number system that's universal across all brands. So it's easy once you learn it.